The role that technology is playing in the construction sector is changing the way that practitioners are designing and building structures. An increasing amount of work is being done on the front end during the design stage. More of the building is prefabricated, and it arrives on site basically ready to install. So there's a need to educate designers, manufacturers, and builders in terms of what kind of collaboration needs to happen in earlier stages in the process.
So the first day would be mostly led by architects, and the participants come up with different designs. Usually we do that in a group. We talk about different designs. We talk about what is mass timber, how do you work with mass timber, how is it different to working with other materials. At the end of that first day we would usually pick one design, critique them from various angles like machinability, overall design, engineering, and that kind of stuff. Day two is usually where you then take this design that we picked and bring that into CAD, so computer-aided design, go from CAD to CAM, so computer-aided manufacturing, basically everything that is then machine-related. So take that design and take it into the CAM software that has the specifics of our machine that we're working with to get the programs ready. Day three would be the real hands-on where we're starting to work with the machine. So we'll have different programs for different parts of the designs that will then be cut on the machine and on our 5-axis CNC machine. And then also setting up that pavilion.
Say what's nice about these workshops, it's not a series of lectures. It's really about getting your hands dirty and experiencing it on the ground.
I think one of the things in the industry is that there's sometimes a bit of a disconnect between architects and the manufacturing side. And so we're really trying to bring all those together. And as the name says, design build. So we're coming up with a design and we're actually building it. And so bringing those different people from different backgrounds together, and so that everybody gets the big picture.